Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics Lessons with Sharif. If you are watching my videos for the first time, I request you to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Let us see one beautiful problem. Let us go through the problem once. Let the product of all the divisors of the number 1440 be P, and if P is divisible by 24 power x, then what could be the maximum value of x is? This is very interesting problem. If you like this problem, if you like this video, please do share with your friends so that I can cover more and more beautiful problems for the IIT aspirants. So without wasting any time, let us go to the problem. Solution of the problem is something like this. Okay. Because he is asking about the divisors and the product he is telling the problem. That's why I should first of all consider the prime factorization of the number 1440. It's very easy for all of you to see what is the prime factorization of this number. That will be nothing but, you can easily verify 2 power 5 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5. So this is the prime factorization of the number 1440. Now if a number can be expressed as powers of prime, then we know the number of all divisors, the total number of divisors, the number of divisors. How many number of divisors does this number contain? Would be 5 plus 1 multiplied by power 5 is there here for prime number 2. So 5 plus 1 multiplied by, for prime 3 power is 2, so it is 2 plus 1 multiplied by power 1 is there, so 1 plus 1, that equal to 6 into 3, 18 into 2, 36. So the total number of divisors of this number are 36. Now we have to consider the product of all divisors of this 1440. Let us see the product first. So product of all divisors, this is given as P equal to. Now let us see what is the product of all divisors. Clearly 1 is a divisor, 1 multiplied by 1440. So 1440 I will write at the last because it is the last biggest divisor. And very clearly 2 is also divisor. So 2 into, if 2 is a divisor, 2 into the other factor will be 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5. That is 80 into 9. That is 720. So if 2 is a factor, 720 is also a factor divisor. So that is, I have written this one here. And 3 is also a divisor. 3 into, if 3 is a divisor, I can write this one as 3 into 2 power 5, 32 multiplied by 15. 3 into here, 3 into 5, 32 into 15. 32 into 15 will be 480. So I will write 480 here. In that way, I can take all the divisors and I can take the product of all the 36 divisors here. Okay. Now I can make 18 pairs like this. 1 into 1440 multiplied by 2 into 720 multiplied by 3 into 480, so on. How many such pairs can be possible? 18 pairs, because we have overall 36 terms in this product. But that is every product is nothing but 1440. So what can I do here? I can write this value is 1440 whole power 18. But what is the prime factorization of 1440? It is 2 power 5, 3 square into 5 whole power 18. I can write 2 power 5 whole power 18 as 2 power 90 into 3 power 36 into 5 power 18. Our goal is to create a number like 24 power x. So that is my aim. So I would like to show you how to bring 24 power x. Here I will write 2 cube whole power 30. Here I will write 3 power 3 into 3 power 6 into 3 power 30. 3 power 30 into 3 power 6 multiplied by 5 power 18. Now very clearly this is 2 cube 8 whole power 30 and 3 power 30. So I can write 24 whole power 30. So that equal to, I will write here, that equal to 24 whole power 30 multiplied by 3 power 6 multiplied by 5 power 18. So this is the value of P. So what is the maximum possible value for 24 power x? It is given that it is given divisible by 24 power x. So x is, he is asking for the maximum value of x. So the P is divisible by a number of the form 24 power x. Therefore maximum value of x is 30. So 24 power 0 is also divides 1440. Sorry, divides P, and 24 also divides P. 24 square also divides P, and the maximum value of 24 power x, which divides P, is the maximum value of x, where 24 power x divides P is 30. So I hope you understand this problem. So keep watching my videos. Please encourage me and please suggest your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. It's Sharif sir signing off.